space like the non-basic lower drag. Other sailplanes, like as you mentioned, have the engine really for safety and recovery. When you get out there and find out which one you get they want, they can crank the little engine up and get back to the airport.
And then on the air show circuit, we have Bob Carlton that has a beautiful Fox sailplane with a pair of PBS jet engines.
The right party will see him into the pattern, fly around a little bit into the pattern, and he's coordinating with the tailplane so they don't land in the same place at the same time. They'll both be back there at the airport.
You know, and they often have an electronic device on the sailplane, and what it does is it beeps, gives you an audible tone. If the tone goes higher, you've caught a thermal, you're rising. If it goes lower, you're losing altitude, so you've got to find some lift. Now the other thing to consider too is it's a little warm here on the ground. And there's this big plexiglass canopy. And you say zoom out. So it's bound to be a little warm in the sailplane. And often sailplane pilots, if they're intent on staying up for the full day, they will bring drink systems as well as food. And it has been said many times that glider pilots will fly with eagles in their formation. Now that I would pay money to see. Looks like the spoilers are out. We got our landing lined up. See, now what he's doing is he's got the spoilers up and he's spoiling the lift on the wings. And he's got a nice controlled descent. And you can use those speed brakes very much like you can use a throttle on a powered aircraft. It's got the airport in sight, lined up on the runway. The wheel is down. You'll notice the speed brakes are still up. And here comes the landing. Remember, 28-mile-an-hour stall speed. Very nice. How about a big round of applause for the Brandywine Soaring Association? Association, and they